Welcome back to the Dishcloth Knit Along. This week we will be working rows 11 through 20. And this is what you have so far if you've worked the first 10 rows of the pattern. Rows 11 and 12. We're going to start, of course, by knitting our first 2 edge stitches. And then our pattern repeat is purl 1, knit 1. So that's all you have to do all the way across the row until you get to your last 2 stitches. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. And then when you get to your last 2 stitches, which are our edge stitches, of course, you will just knit them. Turn, and row 12 is exactly the same thing. You knit your 2 edge stitches, and then your pattern repeat for the row is purl 1, knit 1. You of course will do that to your last 2 stitches. And then knit your last 2 edge stitches. Rows 13 and 14. Okay, knit your first 2 stitches for your edge, and then the pattern repeat for row 13 is knit 1, purl 1. So you knit and purl, knit and purl, all the way to your last 2 stitches. And of course, your last 2 stitches will be plain knit stitches. Okay, row 14, we're going to do the same thing. Knit your 2 edge stitches at the beginning, and then your pattern repeat is knit 1, purl 1. And last 2 stitches, of course, will just be knit. Rows 15 and 16. Knit the first 2 for your edge. Now we're going to purl 1, knit 1 twice. So you purl, knit, purl, knit. Then we're going to purl 2, knit 2, now we're ready to begin our pattern repeat. It's purl 1, knit 1 4 times. So purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and knit. Now we're going to purl 2, knit 2, and that completes our repeat. So we're going to start again with the purl 1, knit 1 4 times. Purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit. And now purl 2, knit 2. You will have 6 stitches left on your needle. You're going to purl 1, knit 1 twice. So purl, knit, purl, knit. And then your remaining 2 stitches are for your edge. Just knit them. Row 16, same thing. Knit the 2 edge stitches, of course. Purl 1, knit 1 twice. then purl 2, knit 2, and now we begin the pattern repeat. Purl 1, knit 1 4 times, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit. Purl 2, knit 2, and now we begin our repeat again. Purl 1, knit 1 4 times, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then purl 2, knit 2, and again you will have 6 stitches left on your needle. The last 2 are your edge, and these 4 are for the pattern. You will purl 1, knit 1 twice. So purl, knit, purl, knit, and then you knit your last 2 edge stitches. Rows 17 and 18. Of course, we're going to start by knitting our 2 edge stitches at the beginning of the row. Then we're going to knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3, and then we're going to knit 3, and then begin our pattern repeat. We're going to purl 1, knit 1 3 times. So purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit. Now we're going to purl 3, knit 3, and that ends our repeat. So we're going to start over with the purl 1, knit 1 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. Now we purl 3, knit 3, and now what we have is 3 stitches for our pattern and 2 for our edge. We're going to purl 1, knit 1, and purl 1, and that completes our pattern. So we knit our 2 edge stitches. Okay, row 18, of course, we're just going to be repeating row 17. Knit the first 2 stitches, then knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3, knit 3, and now we're going to begin our repeat. Purl 1, knit 1 3 times. So purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl, knit, then purl 3, knit 3, and that is the end of our repeat. We'll start again with the purl 1, knit 1 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. Then we purl 3, knit 3, you'll have 5 stitches left on your needle. The last 2 are for your edge, and then 3 for the pattern. And purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and then knit your 2 edge stitches. Rows 19 and 20. Knit your first 2 stitches, purl 1, knit 1, purl 4, knit 4, then begin your pattern repeat. You're going to purl 1, knit 1 twice. So purl, knit, purl, knit. Then you purl 4, knit 4, and that ends the repeat. So we're going to start again with our purl 1, knit 1 twice. Once, twice, and then purl 4, knit 4, and what you have is 4 stitches left. The last 2 of course are for the edge, and then 2 for the pattern. You purl 1, knit 1, and knit your 2 edge stitches. Row 20, we're going to do the same thing. Knit 2 edge stitches, purl 1, knit 1, purl 4, knit 4, and then we begin our pattern repeat. Purl 1, knit 1 twice. There's once, twice, and then purl 4, knit 4, that ends the repeat. So we're going to start again with our purl 1, knit 1 twice. There's once, twice, purl 4, knit 4, you have 4 stitches left. We're going to purl 1, knit 1, and then knit your 2 edge stitches to finish the row. So that is rows 11 through 20. And this is what we have so far for our dishcloth. Come back next week and we will do the next part of the pattern.